Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I have discussed about expenses. What are the fixed expenses? What are the variable expenses? Why we categorize something as a fixed expense or a variable expense. In today's video, I am going to discuss about a very important topic of a variable expense which is called management fee. So if you have a fund, you will definitely see a component called management fee. And also many a time you would have come across something called management fee rebate. Now I am going to explain you today as a conceptual knowledge that what is management fee and what is a management fee rebate and how you see that in your fund. Before we go into that, first we need to understand what is management fee. So management fees are the cost of having your investment professionally managed. So that means if you are hiring someone in to manage your portfolio, that then for that person you have to pay some fees, though that is called management fee. So when you look it from a fund perspective, that in a fund you will have an investment manager who is managing your portfolio, deciding where to invest or not. So to that person you have to pay some fees, so that is called management fee. So what will be the main points to remember when we check for management fee? First, management fees are the fees which is paid to the professional. Second, typically a management fee will be the percentage of the total AUM. So now we can see some differences how it will be the percentage driven on the total AUM. I am going to discuss further on this. And third, which is obvious, that it is a variable fee. So management fee can be of two types. Like in a fund, management fee can be charged based on two types. One can be a flat management fee and another one can be a tiered management fee. Flat management fee will be a straightforward fee charged from the AUM. So if I say that in my fund it is written in the prospectus that the management fee is 0.5% of total net asset. That means whatever will be my total net asset, on that 0.5% will be charged as a management fee. Whenever you see this kind of scenarios, always remember that total net asset will be generally on the prior day total net asset, because on the current day total net asset generally a management fee will not be charged. But again, the disclaimer is each fund is different, each fund will have its own way of calculating. So if you are in doubt that the 0.5% or whatever percentage is mentioned in your fund, whether that is on the same day current day total net asset or on the prior day total net asset, please let it clarified from your seniors, or you can reach out to the client also to get more clarity on this. But in this case you don't have much complication. It will be, you can actually if you have it in system, you can put this percentage on the system. Also there can be, if you are doing it manually, you can have the spreadsheet where you can have each day how much total net asset is there, and on that 0.5% will be calculated and you will know. Then you have to divide it by 365 days, right, to get your per day management fee. So this is the way you can charge the flat management fee. Now we will come into the tiered management fee, how it works. Tiered management fee will be when it will be charged based on different asset level. So how it is, let me give you an example. If we see this example of TNA of 10 million, on that, for this much amount you will be charging 1.75 percentage of management fee, which will be around 4357. On the next amount you will be charging 1.5%, so that will be around 11,250. Next, the remaining amount from this, which comes up to, which is the remaining 9 million, we are going to charge 1.25 percentage of the management fee. So this is going to be your total management fee. Now this is on a yearly basis. On that you have to divide it by 365 days to get your per day management fee. So this is how you're calculating when you have a tier based management fee. what happens, why this is very important for us to uh, calculate the management fee properly, because as I said also in my prior video on the expense, that if you are not charging your expenses correctly on a day to day basis, it may have a very smaller impact, but when you check for a very long time, if you have not calculated it correctly, it is going to have a huge nav impact on your fund. So from a nav point of view, how it is, where it will come, I have always told you the nav formula, right? So the nav formula is asset minus liability divided by numbers of shares outstanding. Expense will come into your liability. Expense will be part which causing your liability leg of it, because it is your payable. If your liability is not calculated correctly, then your this amount or your total net asset will not be correct, hence your NAV won't be correct. If you see on a day to day basis, if suppose you are not calculating this correctly, and if you're taking, if you didn't understood this tire based management fee correctly, and you have taken all together this 1.75%, or you are not taking this all the tires correctly, then that is going to change your management fee. And when client come to know about it and they get back to you telling that how much your management fee should be, that is not calculated correctly, that is not going to look good on you as well. So that's why this is very important to understand about the how the management fees can be and how to calculate it. Next, one of the very interesting topic is management fee rebate. Now I am going to tell you about management fee rebate. So management fee rebate, I am just going to tell you conceptually what is management fee rebate and why we get management fee rebate into the fund. Management fee rebate is a positive expense. Okay, so first point always need to remember is it is a positive expense. So it will come into the asset of your fund because it will be a positive amount. You are going to get it. It is going to be receivable. When a manager is offering you a discount on the management fee charged, that is called the management fee rebate. So let's say a manager is having a fund A, and the manager is also having fund B and fund C. You are investing in fund A. Now manager is offering you, if you also invest in fund B, I will give you 0.025 percentage discount on the management fee rebate. So let's say I decide, okay, I will invest in fund B. So on the fund B, I will get a discount of 0.025 percentage of total AUM, total net asset. So if the manager is charging me this much amount, 0.25% of the total net asset, it will give me a rebate of this. Why I have to calculate these two separately? I can do straight away 0.5 minus 0.025, and then I will get an amount and directly I can charge management fee, right? But that is not going to show your both the legs correctly. Always remember, you need to show all the aspects correctly. So you will have two lines in your fund B. One line will be your management fee, and another will be your management fee rebate. So this will be also a important thing. Remember this concept very well, because not like that you are going to see much issues into it, because generally it will be a, in all the companies, in all the funds, it will be a established process where everyday expenses is getting calculated. But management fee rebate, whether it is getting calculated correctly or not, it is a responsibility of a fund accountant to check. Because if you have a management fee rebate, and if you see management fee rebate is going negative any day, you see the management fee rebate accrual is going negative, that is where it should hit you that management fee rebate is a positive expense, it should not go negative. If you have any checkpoint, in the checkpoint also it can come that the positive expense has gone negative or your expense is charged negative. that time you should be cautious. Or your expense, when you see whatever expense I am having into the fund, you should check that the management fee, rebate, or any whichever you have a positive expense, if you have a prepaid expense also, those should not go negative. So those things need to be careful about. So if you know why are you getting management fee rebate, or if you know the concept of management fee rebate, like I hope now from as I told you, you all understand it is a discount given by the management manager, investment manager, to attract the customer, attract the investor. So in those cases it cannot be negative. So always look into those small details into your fund. So this is all about management fee and management fee rebate. I am in my next video I will come up on the performance fee, because I know many of you have requested me to create a video on performance fee. But before I straight away jump into performance fee, I thought I should create a base. First, I should explain what is fixed expenses and variable expenses, and then I give a background on management fee. Because to understand performance fee, you need to have a basic knowledge about what is management fee. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Keep watching.